What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you healthy cucumber salad, and also we can say Sunomono. Sunomono in a restaurants, in a sushi restaurants, we can give as a starters. It will be like a little bit sweet, sour, and umami flavor. Normally, to make Sunomono, it will be really good if you use the Japanese cucumber or sweet cucumber or English cucumber. But today, I'm going to use the local cucumber. So firstly, I'm gonna break it in half like this way. Okay, now I'm gonna take seeds from this cucumber like this way. Okay, now you can slice very small slice, like a thin slice. Like this, or you can use the mandolina to get thinly sliced cucumber in a fast way. So I'll use these ones and I'm gonna cut this. Just you need to be careful with your finger. Okay, now I have that kinds of slice, cucumber slice here. Now I'll add here salt, So the salt will make this cucumber softness, and also it will take out all the water from the cucumber. Okay, I'll wait till 10-15 minutes. The salt will melt properly. The cucumber gonna grab all the salt and it will take out all the water from the cucumber. So I'll wait till 10-15 minutes. Till there, I have to make the mole, I have to make the sauce to marinate it. So normally to make the Sunomono, I prefer to all of my sushi lovers family, you can use the sushi rice vinegar sauce. But here I'm gonna make this, okay? I use almost 4 cucumber. For the 4 cucumber, I'll use 100 ml rice vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, you can use the normal vegetable vinegar and wine vinegar, but the sushi rice vinegar will be really good because it will have more mild flavor. 100 ml sushi rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna mix it very well, and I'm going to use a little bit Kombu, so it will give the umami flavor. Now I'll give just a little bit heat so it will melt properly. After 15 minutes, it is getting lots of water. Now I have to wash with running tap water at least 2-3 times. I'll try to take out all the water from the cucumber. And I'll try to take out all the water. I have to add here my small, sauce to make the pickles. This Kombu I'll remain here so it will give more umami flavor. Okay, you can keep inside the fridge till 1 week you can use as a pickle salad, as a starters. So tomorrow I'll come to show you how it looks like. It's grassy, just a little bit. Yes, this is how we can make our healthy cucumber salad at home Sunomono. This is the spicy one, that is the normal one. I hope you're gonna love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.